Okay, real talk. You have seen the words skills and agents thrown around everywhere in AI Twitter, in dev blogs, in company announcements, and honestly, at some point you just started nodding along pretending you knew exactly what they meant. Don't worry. I've been there too. Today we're fixing that, for good, in plain English. Setup. The confusion is real. Here is why it is confusing. The AI industry loves reusing normal words in specific technical ways. Agent. Skill. These are words you already know. So your brain fills in a meaning, and then you read an article that contradicts it, and now you have three conflicting definitions in your head, and none of them feel right. Relatable? Let's untangle this. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is an autonomous worker. Think of it like a contractor you hire for a specific job. You give a goal, analyze this code base, pull these reports, draft these emails, and the agent figures out how to do it. It can use tools, call APIs, browse the web, write and run code, and even spawn other agents to work in parallel. Agents are the doers. They make decisions, take actions, and get things done without you holding their hand through every step. What is a skill? A skill is the playbook the agent reads before starting work. In Anthropic's definition, and this is now an open standard like MCP, a skill is literally a markdown file. A SKILL.md file with some YAML at the top, a name, a description, and then instructions. That's it. These skills live in a folder, and when you give Claude a task, it reads through available skills, decides which ones are relevant, and loads only those in a context. This is called lazy loading. It is incredibly token efficient. So a financial reporting skill teaches Claude exactly how to format a balance sheet, what red flags to look for, and what your company's specific standards are. You write it once, and every time Claude does financial work, it automatically picks up that playbook. The relationship. Skills feed agents. Here is the clean mental model. Agents are the workers. Skills are the training manuals. Asterisk, asterisk, you wouldn't send a new employee into a complex task with zero context. You give them the manual first. Skills do that for AI. And because Anthropic made this an open standard, with partners like Atlassian, Figma, Canva, Notion, and Cloudflare already publishing skills, you can think of it like an app store for AI expertise. Rakuten, the Japanese e-commerce giant, used skills for finance workflows and cut report generation from days down to 1 hour. That is an 87% reduction. Joe Procopio's angle. Human AI skills. Now here is where it gets interesting. When LinkedIn thought leader Joe Procopio talks about AI skills, he means something completely different. The human skills you need to work effectively with AI. And his argument is spicy. Prompt engineering is just a fancy word for being a power user of consumer interface. It will be obsolete. The real skill? Understanding data quality and mathematics. Because AI is essentially supercharged probability. If you do not understand the math underneath, you cannot truly control the outputs. So there are two definitions in the wild. The technical one, skill files that train Claude, and the philosophical one, what you need to learn to use AI well. Both matter. Both are real. The bottom line, agents execute, skills instruct, and you, the human, need to develop the judgment to know which skill to write, which agent to deploy, and when to step in yourself. That is the actual AI skill era we are entering in 2026. Call to action. If this finally clicked for you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps other confused people find this video. Subscribe so you never miss when we break down the next confusing AI concept, and drop a comment below. Asterisk team agent? Team skills? We're still confused. Asterisk I read every single one.